What's on my face? Oh my god, I know I look ratchet. It's wash day. It's wash day. I have to look ratchet because I'm not about to spoil good clothes. I'm putting a deep conditioner in my hair. It's a DIY deep conditioner that I got from one of my friends actually. I'm trying it out. And you guys, don't be like me. Use a ripe avocado. I didn't use a ripe avocado because I didn't have any. I had a semi-ripe one, and like there's so many particles in this because the avocado wasn't that ripe, and I blended it. So like there are little particles in it, and it's annoying me so much. So use a ripe avocado. Let me just twist up this last one. As you can see, I'm just applying the avocado to my hair. I'm not applying it on my roots because I don't know. I don't know. I rarely apply conditioner to my roots. Conditioner is for your hair, okay? It's not for your roots unless, I don't know, it's written otherwise, I guess. But I basically applied all my conditioners to my hair itself. Oh my god, this is so messy. I don't think I'll be here the whole process. I'll need to go to like a sink, and like I said, there's nowhere for me to put my phone, so I won't be able to record it. It's so messy. So yeah, this is the DIY conditioner, and in here is one avocado. Use a ripe one. Don't be like McKenna. Use a ripe avocado. Milk, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the best. And what else is in this? Lavender oil for the scent. Or you can use castor oil. Yeah, I think that's all that's in this. So it's milk, avocado, olive oil, and lavender oil or castor oil, depends on what it is you have. And she told me it's for strengthening the hair. Yeah, it strengthens your hair, and it also moisturizes your hair at the same time because it has avocado. And avocado is very moisturizing and has a lot of beneficial things in it for your hair. And yeah, this is basically what I'll be applying all throughout my hair. Then I'll wear a shower cape. I'll wear a shower cape for I think an hour or 30 minutes. Around an hour or 30 minutes. Then after that, I will wash my hair. So we're just gonna go through this real quick. I take a little section. It's so much easier to work in sections. Okay, I know you're gonna take like more time, but trust me, it's so much easier. Hold on. What's on my face? Oh my god, I know I look ratchet. It's wash day. It's wash day. I have to look ratchet because I'm not about to spoil good clothes with like avocado stains and things like that. So yeah, I go section. I usually like working in sections because life is so much easier that way. And like for type 4 hair, we usually have a lot of hair. We have such full sets of we have such full heads of hair, and I just feel like honestly I can't work with all my hair at once. Like I'm not about to deal with that shrinkage. I'm not about to deal with the tangling. This is messy. I'm just not about to do that. I'm just not about to do that. No. So yes, I put the avocado DIY deep conditioner on my hair, and I just like work it through so that all my strands are kind of like coated with the avocado, avocado, I don't know, I'll say both, whichever comes to my mind first, whichever comes to my mouth first, I'm gonna say it. So avocado, you get what I mean. And then once I feel like it's completely worked through my hair, I twist it up. I chose to stop because this is a great way for me to keep my hair detangled. Also, it's to keep me. It ensures that all of my hair is receives this product. Like all of my hair has the product. All of my hair is coated with the product. This is just a way of ensuring.
Oh my god, you guys, are you seeing how messy this is?
Wow, it's so bad. It's to ensure all my hair is getting product on it. Yeah. Ooh, my bed. My bed. I'm just gonna do this one section, then the rest I'm doing in the mirror. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It's just way too messy. It's way too messy. I don't know what my hair type. Mother. I don't know what my hair type is. So, if anyone does know what type of hair I have, please tell me. Because I don't know. I've tried to place it somewhere, and wherever I place it, I feel like it doesn't have the qualities that type of hair has. And then now I'm like, okay, you know what, fine. It's fine. As you can see, working in sections is so much easier because like I'm getting the product all through this part of my hair. It's getting all through my hair, and then I can check for tangles. This way I can make sure my hair remains detangled, because I detangled it in the shower and I don't want to do that again. I really don't like combing my hair that often. Yeah, you guys, my ends, I just feel like I have to say this, my ends are not good. Do you see that? They are not healthy. The unhealthy ends. Ends should coil up, but mine don't. And this is because I have so many split ends, and for like I think 1 year, 2 years, when I did go natural, that is when I did like the big chop. I didn't like cut off all my hair, but I cut off most of it. And 2 years after that, I still did continue using heat because I didn't know that it does damage the curl pattern. So like, don't mind how damaged my ends are. I know. I know. And I will get them I will get them trimmed very soon. Probably around next month. Yeah. I will get them trimmed because I also don't like them. I really don't like how they're so stringy and ugly. And this is just me. I'm not saying like, I don't know if you can see it. I'm not saying like you should hate your stringy ends, but like it's unhealthy and there's no two ways about that. And yeah, so that is basically what I have done for this one section of my hair. And yeah, I'm gonna do that for the other sections. Then I'm gonna put my shower cape on. This is my shower cape. I'm gonna put this on and stay with it for 1 hour, I guess. 1 hour, I guess, and then I will rinse it off. I'll be back when I have put all this on this. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, like it's night time right now. I had to change my clothes because it was so messy and my clothes got all messed up, but like I put on the shower cape and I have kept it in. I've kept my hair in the shower cape for 1 hour. So this is basically my hair after the deep conditioning. You can do it for 1 hour, 2 hours, or you can like go under a dryer. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wash my hair first with warm water, then with cold water, so that the cold water is it closes my cuticles and like it's really helpful for the hair. And after that, I will be styling my hair using Marini products. I'll be using the Marini leave-in conditioner as my liquid, and I'll be using either, I think, olive oil. I'll tell you tomorrow what oil I did use. Then I will seal it all with the Marini curling cream. Again, I'm so sorry, you guys. It's because I left my hair drying in the t-shirt for way too long, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow and show you the hairstyle I'm gonna put into my hair. It's quite a simple hairstyle. I don't do complicated things, but yeah. So yeah, this is my hair. The avocado is dripping all over me, so so I've washed my hair, and I'm just hoping that I got all the avocado out. I am literally like in such a hurry because I have a lesson tomorrow and I have to do my hair by tonight because I have a morning lesson. So yeah, this is my hair washed of the deep conditioner. You can really see like it's different. Like my curls are showing more after the deep conditioning, and also as I touch my hair, I can feel like it's definitely different. It's dare I say stronger, I don't know, but it does definitely feel different. I would recommend you guys try this DIY, this very simple DIY. So yeah, you can see my curls are, it's still not perfect, they're still not defined like perfectly, but you know, it's different from when I just wash my hair with shampoo. And this is why you guys, you need to condition. And length check like real quick. So I actually did this hairstyle until 2 a.m. in the morning. It's just basic little braids, and then I did some crisscrosses here and there. And yeah, I'm sure this video is very disorganized, but I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you next time. Love you guys.